Donald Trump received a significant legal victory when the Supreme Court ruled that he has broad immunity from prosecution for actions taken while in office. This ruling directly impacts multiple cases against Trump, including a New York hush money case and charges related to his actions on January 6, 2021. The ruling delays Trump's sentencing in his hush money case, as Judge Juan Merchan now must reevaluate evidence under this new precedent. Trump's lawyers argue that several pieces of evidence, including social media posts and testimony from advisors like Hope Hicks, should be excluded as protected by presidential immunity. Experts, including former prosecutor Jared Schaefer, note that this decision by Judge Merchan is complicated and could lead to a retrial or dismissal of charges if significant evidence is deemed inadmissible. Reaction to the Supreme Court's decision was sharply divided. In the ruling's wake, conservative justices quarreled with their liberal counterparts, with Chief Justice John Roberts accusing liberals of fear-mongering, while Justice Sonia Sotomayor expressed fear for our democracy. The decision was a significant win for Trump, who celebrated the outcome, framing it as a victory for the Constitution and American democracy. The White House and congressional Democrats reacted with outrage. President Biden criticized the ruling, warning it sets a dangerous precedent that could allow future presidents to abuse their power. Biden's administration is reviewing potential actions to safeguard democracy and the rule of law, although concrete plans remain unclear. Some Democrats called for measures like expanding the Supreme Court or stricter ethics rules for justices. This term, the Supreme Court's conservative majority also made landmark decisions affecting regulatory agency powers, upheld gun restrictions related to domestic violence, and avoided major rulings on abortion. These decisions further embody a shift towards reinforcing conservative legal principles, balancing the scales towards personal freedoms and limiting government overreach. As the country moves forward, these judicial outcomes will significantly shape the political and legal landscape. Trump's ability to run for president remains unaffected by his legal battles, and the Supreme Court's rulings ensure that the debates over presidential powers, regulatory limits, and individual rights will continue to dominate national discourse.